video, we're creating a final exam assessment for our IT support project, discussing slow internet and company system access. Here, we're diving into their roles. My name is Ramzi as IT support.
My name is Salman as Usal Finance.
My name is Raji as network technician.
Thank you, Miss. Good morning. This is the IT support department. My name is Ramzi. How may I assist you today?
Good morning, my name is Salman Mutana Sibuan. From the finance department, I am having a problem with my computer.
Alright, Salman. Thank you for contacting IT support. Could you please explain the problem you are experiencing?
My internet connection is very slow, and I am unable to access the company system. Sometimes the page does not load, and other things is display an error message.
I see. That must be quite inconvenient, especially for you work in the finance department. When did this issue first occur?
Started this morning when I turned on my computer. I thought it was only a temporary problem.
Thank you for the information. I would like to ask a few more questions to help identify the cause of the issue.
Sure, let's go ahead.
Are other application working properly? Such as email or Microsoft Word?
The our working was everything plays very solid, include email.
Understood. Are you currently connected using Wi-Fi or network cable?
I am using Wi-Fi connection.
Alright. Note. Please stay on the line. I will contact our network team to check the network status. Hello, Farun. This is Ramzi from IT support.
Hello Ramji, this is Farul from the network team. How can I assist you?
We have a user from the finance department who is experiencing slow internet and cannot access the company system. Could you please check the network and server status?
Certainly, I will check the router traffic, access point load, ensure performance is the user currently connected via Wi-Fi.
Yes, the user is using Wi-Fi.
Alright, please ask the user to restart the Wi-Fi connection while I monitor the network from my side.
Salman, please turn off your Wi-Fi connection. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. After that, try accessing the company system again.
Alright, I am resting is now place with a moment. The internet connection was now was I still connection access the company system.
Thank you for the update. Visit on the monitoring system. Your Wi-Fi signal is stable. However, the server is currently experiencing high traffic.
What appears to be causing this issue?
Several departments are addressing the system simultaneously, which is causing a temporary server overload. This usually happens during peak working hours.
Is there any action we can take to resolve this?
Yes, I will restart the affected server service to request the connection. This process will take about 1 to 2 minutes. Please ask the user to wait and see again shortly.
Thank you, Farooq. Salman, please wait for a moment and then re-accessing the company system again.
Alright, I will try again now. Yes, Miss Boss. I can access the system and the internet connection is back to normal.
It's good to hear. Is everything working properly now?
Yes, everything is working well. Thank you very much for your assistance.
You're welcome, Salman. As a suggestion, please restart your computer regularly and avoid opening to many applications at the same time. The education system and network load.
If you experience similar issues in the future, please feel free to contact IT support.
Certainly. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Rogi and Farooq.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Oh, thank you. Have a nice day.